Hey, welcome back to another video review. So today I got an AMT 68 Plymouth Road Runner. I know that because I pointed to it on the box and it says it right there. Alright, so this is an AMT kit. This is a very cool kit. This is one of these 2-in-1s. It's got some cool stuff in here. Nice picture of the car right there. I don't understand why the model companies put pictures of the rear ends like this on the box there. I mean, wouldn't that be so much more of a selling point? But anyways, so this is one of these old AMT customizing kits. I know, because it's set on the box. Customizing model car kit. Anyway, so I bought this bad boy because, you know, Road Runner, Plymouth, models. So I just first want to say that this is not my best work. I was really excited for this one, and the more I did it, the more it just was kind of screwing up. So this is all modeler error. This kit's actually a very good kit. So here, after a minute intro, let me get you to the car. So we move this box, and we go boom, 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 boom. Spin it around here for you. These wheels, I had a little hard time getting in there. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about it here. This is a Tamiya blue. I painted it. The original plan was to have a blue top on it and then a white body. And then I was going to do some blue striping on the side. That's why I have the drag racing engine option here. Originally had the other wheels on the car. Those bad boys there. But because the paint screwed up, and I mean, it was just not even... It was below my style, and I'd be embarrassed to show it to you on here. So I just painted it all blue. Flipped the wheels around because the other side of the wheels had the Goodyear writing on them. So I originally had the Goodyear wheels with the tires with the drag racing wheels. So I flipped it around to the red line. Got the stock wheels on there. The red stripe is actually from the Revell 68 Chevelle kit. I cut it to fit on the side because I thought it looked pretty good. Those were actually originally meant to match the interior, which has a window on it, and it's hard to see. So the interior is actually two-tone blue, and it's hard to see with the little red pinstriping on it there. I don't like how there's a window on the side here, so you can't really see. What's kind of interesting is that the colors I painted the inside are the Road Runner, Wile E. Coyote Road Runner colors. I should have done that on the outside here, but it's all said and done now. So there's marks all over the windows here. I was trying, I know a lot of guys use Mod Podge for the windows, to put the windows in. It just smeared everywhere. I was told that you would not see it. It smeared everywhere. So as you can see, the paint job's not that great. The silver chrome trim is not that great. The engine looks pretty good. That's everything out of the box. The interior looks great, but unfortunately you can't see it now. The front grille came out pretty nice. My license plate keeps coming off. Just did the 1968. I'm having a hard time focusing there. Goes on the front there. The rear end. The rear bumper, I don't know, kind of sat weird. I don't know what the hell's going on there. Underneath the car looks good. Unfortunately, you don't see it. There's the proof of the Goodyear. Like I said, I tried really hard, and I feel like that's the problem sometimes. I'm just going to go on a little rant here for a second. Again, I'm not focusing. Hit the little button there. Sometimes I feel like when I try really, really hard to get a good build, it just doesn't come out right. And then when I try to throw something together, that becomes one of my best builds. So I tried really hard to get a good build here, and it's just not one of my favorites. I have a hard time with the wheels staying. This is one of these old AMT kits where you get the wheels have a hard time staying onto the car. So would I recommend this kit? Yes. Would I love to build another one? Yes. This wheel here kind of sits all goofy. Sideways crooked. It just, I don't know. Like I said, when you try to do something special, So you wonder why there's no hood on it. I had to cut open the hood because the air cleaner's there. But when I spray painted the hood the blue, it kind of came out almost like an oily. It had like a weird oil grease over it or something. I didn't know what the hell happened there. So this is my 68 Road Runner. I would like to do another one because I'm just not happy with my build. So like I said, I recommend this kit. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate you putting up with some of the garbage that I build. Hopefully my next one that I'm currently working on is going to be a lot better than this. So stay tuned for some more goodies. Alright everybody. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you all in the next video.